Hello friends, good afternoon all of you, and let's start today. Mm, a slight change that in fact our lecture was at 3:30. Instead of that we will be conducting it at 2:30, and the earlier lecture will be conducted later on. Okay. So with this, let's begin. I think that in previous session also we people are going to focus on oral communication. So accordingly, we people have been started discussing some of the topics, usually group discussions. You know that those students who are in final year, uh, there are a number of such kind of group discussions have been organized, and they are virtually organized. Maybe up to your time, we expect that it can be physically, but we have to be ready with in both ways. It can be virtually or it can be face to face also. So you people need to be bold enough to face the cameras. If it is virtually, you have to face the cameras as well. And apart from that, if it is physically there also, you people have to be just ready with the physical aspects of GD and communication, all those things. Okay. So let's continue. Let's try to discuss in today's session. I think that in today's session, we people have decided to come with individual presentation as well as discussion. So anybody ready to give individual presentation or like to speak something on the topics given? Not given, in fact. You can choose your own topics and you might have prepared it. If you're able to give us presentation for 2 to 3 minutes, that will be okay. So first of all, let me know, is there anyone who would like to speak? You can raise your hand and we can start. Is it audible? Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So I think that there is no one. So it is not better at all. You people have to be ready with to talk about something. We are students from CSA department and we are just learning so many things. Or apart from studies also, we are coming across with number of the technical aspects where you people are maybe studying artificial intelligence or the technology based on artificial intelligence. You might have chosen it, or you can just go for robotics is there. You can go for, apart from technology also, people can go for any particular review of the movie, review of the book, or you can go for any kind of let's say social issue, political, economical, sports, persons, personalities. Topics are infinite. You just try to find out in what you are interested in. Accordingly, people take time to just prepare a presentation for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm not expecting for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm expecting for 2 to 3 minutes. You people have to prepare and you people have to speak. See, again, in every session, I'm telling that we are not having much of the time. See, current semester is about to end. Maybe within next week, perhaps you might get notifications about closing of your term end, and perhaps you have submissions and assignments and orals and all those things. So, in that 3 to 4 months, next semester will be for 3 to 4 months, and that is not enough time. In fact, improving communication skills is a lifelong learning process. So it is not like that today I have learned a lot and maybe within 1 week I improved a lot. It is not like that. First of all, we need to get confident about English communication. And once we are confident enough, then we can go for improving other aspects of communication like fluency, pronunciation, and using some idioms and phrases in English language. For that, we people can go. But I don't see that much progress in you as far as you people. I think that why I don't know, but maybe that can be impact of that lockdown. I feel that uh, your class is not that much up to date. If you have seen or if you have any of the acquaintance from your seniors, that is final year students, you just try to just interact with some of them, try to ask them that how was their preparation, how was their communication activities going on, and how did they prepare for various kinds of placements. Those who got placed, for them you people can ask, because if we think of that, you people are not prepared that much. So don't take it casually. I feel that you people are taking it casually. So don't take it casually. Otherwise, you people have to struggle a lot. So there are lots of opportunities, but because of lack of skills, lack of communication skills, I will say probably that you people are going to miss lots of opportunities. And if you want to that should not happen for you, you people have to work on it. So nobody's here for giving individual presentation. In that, we people will go for discussion. So should we go for GD? So say yes or no something. Can we discuss one topic? I will announce one topic and can we discuss it? Here also you people are very having cold response, no response at all. So literally means that you don't want to discuss it. Okay. So, but still I'm going to force you. Whether you like it or you don't like it, it does not matter. But let us see what happens. Okay. So let's see. We'll just talk about topic I will give. That will be. Is it okay? Private job versus government job. Someone just reply me so that I can understand. Few people have to discuss private job, its conditions, government job, its conditions. So which is better kind of discussion can we have?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So at least one response I got, and with that only I can go. So right now it is 2:42. So you people will get 3 minutes for thinking about and finding some information about it. So at sharp 2:45, we people are going to start. Sharp at 2:45, we people are going to start. Okay. Meanwhile, all you people have to just find it out that which point you people are going to do, what you are going to say, advantages, disadvantages, challenges at both places. So everybody try to participate. Specifically here, Vedangi and this again like I don't know other people, but I think that Vedangi you should participate. Sakshi you should participate. Others you just decide because I don't know much people here. Again, I think that last time the people like Prerna, Tejal, these people have participated. So your people should be here from both divisions, A and B, both divisions. So Vittal is here, Snehal, Sheetal is here. You try to participate, Sheetal. Ankita, yes, Ankita is here. Prasanna, you are here. So those people just try to ensure that you are going to speak because those are the people who can speak. I know, and others also can speak. But if you are speaking, then only I will come to know if people are speaking. So meanwhile, you people can call. There are so many students who are connected but not joined with audio. So if someone knows Unnati Daigude, call her and tell her to join with audio. Yogita Dongre, call her and tell to join with audio. Neha Gadge is here, call her and tell her to join with audio. Omkar Babar is here, call him and tell him to join with audio. Vishal Lingde is also here, call him and tell him to join with audio. So there are at least 4 5 students who are connected but not joined with audio. Aishwarya is here also. Aishwarya Kulkarni also participated. So everybody, in fact, everybody tried to participate. Okay, it's 2:45 sharp, and I think that now it is time to start. Okay, so we'll start. So for next 15 minutes, we will be discussing this topic, and let me not interfere every time. You people just continuously discuss it for 10 to 15 minutes. So someone start. So I think that Vedangi, you should start. Nobody is taking initiative. So Vedangi, you should start.
Sir, between private job and government job, I would prefer a government job because the most important part comes is the job security. So in a government job, we can say that we have a secure job, and whereas in private job, the means if the person is not performing well, they can fire him at any time.
Sir, I agree with Vedangi. So because government jobs are always better than private ones. So because they are providing the benefits like uh, they are giving medical support or good salary, and we should uh, we should have to uh, retirements and other life benefits. So these things are provided in government job.
According to me, private jobs are very good, sir. Because in government jobs they do not give the promotion after doing how much work the government employee, but how in the private jobs, if the employee do the work at a time, they will provide the promotions to them, and they will give the compensations as per if something happened with them, but that's not possible in government jobs, sir.
So I want to increase one point. In a public sector, we can call as government jobs. They are providing perks as well as benefits also, in that some insurance and medical coverage. And but in private companies, they are not passing such type of insurance and perks also. So that is the best benefit of government job. We can prefer that compared to private job.
Hello, sir. Private employees will be recognized for their hard work. Companies like to that employees who put efforts and work hard. So there will be incentive and promotion in return for hard work. If we do not like the job, we can easily quit and join another job as per our requirement. It is very difficult to switch from one government job to another government job. There will be ample opportunities for career growth in private jobs.
According to me, private jobs are very good because in private jobs there are lots of scope and learning new things. In privates, means we should be updated in our particular field. And for example, Google is an means a better example for private companies, and it is better than in any government job. Yes, in private jobs there is no security, but we should be updated and you should learn new things in that field. And government jobs openings are very less. For 100 vacancies, there are lots of applications are coming, like thousands and lakhs. In that, selections are means chance of selections is very less, and there are so many students are means doing practice lots of years, and then at the final result they got they means they did not get selected, and after that they are doing suicide, like that's happening in right now. So that private jobs are easy to acquire, and we should go for private jobs. Okay, that's it.
So I'm agree with the Vittal's point. In private jobs, the development is possible. In private jobs, after every 3 months, the development is possible. But in government jobs, since last 20 to 30 years, it's going as same as it is. And in government jobs, the corruptions, everyone do the corruption. But it is not like in the private jobs. In private jobs, everyone can do according to the projects. They will work according to the projects and on the time. It's not like in government jobs, they do one work for the 6 months or 1 year. It's not like in the private jobs, they do their work only in a given period of time, sir.
Sir, I would say that in private job there is excessive pressure. So if we want to balance our personal life as well as work, we should prefer government job because there is a flexibility. We have a fixed time to work. And also other than the money part, means the salary is very good in government job, but also there are many advantages such as job security, and we get lots of government holidays, as well as after the retirement there is a fixed pension for the government employees.
So I agree with Vedangi's point, but it is not like that. If the private jobs they are giving pressure without giving up pressure, how the people can do their work in a given time period? In government jobs, how it may be, they have a lot of holidays. I accept that, but they do one work for the extended time period. They take a lot of holidays and they what can we say? They forgot to do that work, sir.
Only 6 people are talking so far. Others, come ahead. Vishaka, you can also participate. Just say something. Aishwarya Kulkarni.
So in a private job, the most of the cases, private employees can be removed from the job in an instance without any prior notice, but it's not done in a government job.
Sir, as per my opinion, private jobs are under some pressure, but they want to secure their jobs. For that, they are learning more technologies, so we can go further, or we can promote it to another position. So it is very beneficial for us. We can learn new things to survive in our surrounding. That is base point, I think, from my side.
Sir, in my eyes, I think private jobs can be a better option. And if you are getting a good environment and we have that hardworking capacity and we are getting a great package, then definitely private job can be a good option. And also, as Neha added that we can't switch from, it's difficult to switch from one government job to another government job, but definitely private job, in private jobs we can get new experiences. Also, if you are not feeling good at a company, then definitely we can move from one company to another company. And and it's all on our hard work. And if we have that hard working capacity, then definitely it's a great option.
Sir, if we are talking about the job, so the two main things are, first is job security and second one is the salary. Sir, in government job, salary they are giving a salary on time, which is in private sectors. Yeah, they are also giving on monthly basis, but sometimes there are some issues with the salary. So in government sector, it should not be happen. And sir, they are giving us some bonus, and they're giving holidays also uh, on a particular day. So government jobs are always better than private jobs.
Sir, I agree with Prasanna. As many students said that in government job they don't get promotion or anything, but we need to understand that whenever in government jobs, promotion is based on the service period. So the longer you work, the higher paid you will get in the promotion. So this can be an advantage for the people who are looking for stability as well as a good salary in a long term.
Yes,
By
in government.
my opinion,
Yeah, just Vedangi said that in government job, they are not means they are not thinking about talent and what people thinking. They are giving promotion according to their service based. Means when people is doing service 5 years, after 5 years we will get promotion. But in private jobs, promotions are giving like that if you did your particular task completely, or if you did well in that particular field, then you will get promotion, and that will be benefit for our future, for that particular man future, and we will get more opportunity in private jobs.
Sneha, you was about to say something. Yes, okay. Someone just continue. Sakshi is also here.
Sir, in government sector, that is means fixed, after how many years they will promote it. But in private jobs, our based on our work, they are promoting us. So depend upon us only, they will promote, and we will get a new chance to learn new things, and as well as a to promote in new positions. So based on our talent and our technology, that is not fixed time to promote in any jobs or anything. Depend upon our hard working and our performance, they will decide that.
Neha, you were saying something.
Sir, I in a
yes, sir.
government job there is a less pressure as compared to the private.
A salary is the biggest reason for students to dream about private jobs, since they see a lot of money being paid instead of the benefits that they can get over a longer period time. In a government sector, may provide less salary compared.
Okay, last 1 minute is there. We will move towards the conclusion. So someone just conclude this discussion.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Shubham.
Yes, sir. I want to say something. Sir, in government job sector, there are lots of partiality takes place. There in government sector, the job is given to the any person is not on the basis of her or his talent. it is given on any other criteria such as religious, caste, and lots of many partiality takes place. They are not giving job on the basis of their talent. So government sector are doing they are not doing their job as well. But in a private sector, they are preferring to the talent.
The conclusion of our discussion is both private job and also government job have their own advantages and disadvantages. Some people are comfortable with the job security provided by the government jobs, and some other people are comfortable with the good salary and also new opportunity in private jobs.
Okay, all right. So here we people have closed almost 15 minutes. We people have discussed, and that's the time. You know that actually that much time is given for discussion. It can be 10 minutes also. It can be 15 minutes also sometimes, depending upon the situation. But we should be ready to discuss topics for 10 to 15 minutes. And I would like to say that we have discussed it in a nice way, or I can say a change or progress is here. But again, we people have to say that we should not be happy with this kind of communication. Still we wanted to achieve more. So let's begin with the introduction of the topic. Vedangi started with the that introduction of the topic, but Vedangi, I would like to tell you that you can first of all should start like this. Good afternoon friends, I'm Vedangi, and today we are going to discuss the topic private job versus government job. I think that the topic is very interesting because all we youth or all we people are about to just choose the jobs, and there is always question whether we should go for private job or government job. So I appeal all the group members to express your opinion, or I request all group members to express your opinion about this topic. So this kind of introduction is required to begin. If you are going to start the discussion, such kind of introduction is required. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
okay, yes, additionally you find out more. I think that on YouTube you can find it out. What you people search on YouTube, I don't know, but for as far as GD, you just try to find out how to start the group discussion. If you search this, you'll get plenty of different kinds of ways, and you just try to combine that. It should not be only what I told that you're going to follow. It should not be. You can find out more than what I told also, or better than what I'm just saying, better than also you can find on the internet. And you need to collect it, try to write down your notes also, because it is not only just listening is not sufficient, and accordingly you just try to use. Apart from that, Vedangi, last time also I have told you your pronunciation and communication you don't have problem, but just try to work on how or practice more. So that is what will be suggestion from me. Okay, so from government side only, Vedangi and Prasanna, Sakshi, they were talking, but still that I think that there was much more to talk about government also, but people were not talking much about government job. Prasanna, I think that you're talking it, but initially I found that you were not having clarity of thought. You wanted to say something, but it was not sure exactly how to say it. So you were a lot of hesitation, I found it. So I think that practice is required. With practice you can just express it exactly. Second time you did it better, but still you work on your communication. Your practice is not there. I feel like this.
Okay, sir. I will practice.
So work on it. Everything is fine. Other things are fine, but you need to have clarity what you wanted to say and how to say it. So I think that the problem is just collecting vocabulary and putting that into sentences is the problem. Okay, so we'll go to Sakshi now. Sakshi, I think that you also said it, but somewhere I found that whether you are supporting government job or private job, so you should take one stand here clearly. Either you support to government or either you support to private. So that has to be clear. And again, practice is required. A lot of time you are trying to say, but you're not about to say it exactly. So get it clear exactly what you're about to say and how to say it. So maybe make simple sentences and then try to say it and then try to check it. Okay, so Sakshi, you need practice again.
Yes, sir, definitely.
From private job side, I can say Ankita, Neha, Vittal, Prerna, Vishaka, they were talking it better. You people were doing it nice. So Ankita, you're also doing it nice, but a minor corrections are there in your communication. Grammatical mistakes are there, but they are minor, I will say. But Again, you try to eliminate those minor mistakes also. That will be fine for all of us. Neha, Vittal, you came with important points, and you can just try to defend like this only. Vishaka also. Prerana is also coming with new important information. Shubham, it will be better if you enroll yourself in the beginning. Coming at the end of the discussion is not that much effective. Okay, so from the beginning only you should be in the discussion, so that you just take care. So overall the discussion was better, but not the best. That we people have to understand, and still there is much more scope for improvement for everyone. Okay, and only practice is required. Again, I will say here, we are not required to take grammar book and spend hours and hours, but I think that grammar and all those things will be there. Maybe minor mistakes will be there, so you don't worry much about those things, but you should be bold enough to say something. Right now I can see here almost 66 students connected here, but just lack of confidence, and just they're not bold enough to express their thoughts. These people did not try. Okay, so that is not fair. I think that Rahul, you did not try this time, you should have tried. And again, I asked that there are other people also. I think that Sheetal, I asked you also to participate, you did not say anything. Again, there were other people also. I cannot name exactly all of you people, but you people should be participated here in this discussion. At least you should try to say something. It can be in one word or one sentences also, but you should come ahead. You should speak something. If you are not saying anything, that is very unfair with yourself only, and immediately will be out of the process only. And we are already, I have told you, we are not having that much time. So all of you just take it uh, personally, take it seriously, practice it. At the end of the day, you just come in groups, 4 or 5 students will be sufficient there, and you just take one topic and you just try to discuss. You know, on the internet, you people can get ready-made topics also. That people can find it out. Some explanation is also given. Your reading is required here also. You people, we are discussing it very superficially, and right now you people are having the possibility that you might have used Google here, but at the end, you know that actually if it is virtual you may get that chance, but if it is physical, you are not going to get any chance to look into other sources like Google or any other things will not be with you. So that you people have to take care. Okay, uh, so let me know for what we should go. Should we go for another topic, or you want some more tips and discussion is required? Should we come with some one more topic here, because still we people have 20 minutes almost, or 10 minutes are there. We'll consider 10 minutes it, and in that 10 minutes we people will try to just get one more topic short. We'll discuss it for 10 minutes. Okay, so just try to discuss it for 10 minutes. And let's see if you people are able to discuss this topic. Metaverse, are you familiar with metaverse? Will it be feasible, convenient? Recently, you might have heard about it. I expect that you might have heard about it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I hope that you people should know, because usually topics are not given simple like that: city life, village life, or joint family, nuclear family, or what we people have discussed in previous sessions. Such topics are not given at all. Okay, so I expect that that might be difficult for you, but still try to discuss it. So right now it is 1 minute. I will give you talk, think about it. At 3:10 sharp we'll start, and 3:20 we will close it. 10 minutes only. Yes, 1 minute is over. It's 3:10 sharp, and though it is short time, but we should start because we'll get less time. So 10 minutes will be there. So this time, who will just talk about this introduction?
Sir, can I?
Ah, yes, Prasanna.
Okay, hello friends, I'm Prasanna and today we are going to discuss about metaverse. So so what is the word metaverse and what is defined? So in simple words, so we are listening about the like companies like Google, Microsoft, Facebook already announced their works uh, and their metaverse projects also. So metaverse is nothing but the we should say that the advanced version of the internet. And as we are nowadays uh, that the rapid change of technology we are using like machine learning, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and recently our Facebook change has his changed his name that from Facebook to Meta. So it's it has some purpose and there is a why he changed the name Meta. So behind this, there is a big purpose. I want to say that. So and there are so many companies who are working on this metaverse. They have metaverse projects also. So that's it.
Other people say something. Was it about that only? Or what other people don't have any idea about metaverse? Haven't you searched any information? Even in interview also they may ask you question. So what are your opinions about metaverse? You students are from CSE, you're not from civil or mechanical. Okay. You should try to find out beyond your curriculum. So don't just stuck with your subjects, 5 to 6 subjects. So I hope that you people don't have, nobody has any idea about metaverse, and because of that, you people are not able to speak it up.
So metaverse is basically the combination of augmented reality, AR that is, and virtual reality that is VR. So through that we can form a virtual environment where we can see each other through technology. Means not in person but through the internet. And also this is a very huge invention in technology because we can tour any place through the in the metaverse. And also it is a very means it can also improve our work productivity through this metaverse technology. And also we can host many virtual reality programs in which we can tour real estate, or we can conduct a class in a virtual reality, etc.
Sir, I may say that this is, I think, a very big change in our technological field. As we all know that because of this COVID situation, we all support, every company supporting work from home. So I think this type of technology play a very vital role in the technology field. So many new opportunities we can get, and we can say like a lot of new things that can be come into the existence. So we get lot of employment also. So I think that's the very, it may play a very powerful role in the technology field after some interval of time. Thank you.
So all of you, just if you're not able to speak, you have to find out where exactly we are in the kind of such things, how much knowledge we people have. And if you feel that you do not have sufficient knowledge, your reading should go wide. Okay, so that is not sufficient. You people are not reading out of syllabus. So people start reading out of syllabus rather than from the particular GD preparation you people have to prepare. So for this discussion, I think that that is not sufficient. Only Prasanna, Vedangi, and Jyoti. I think that you people said it. I would like to specifically mention Jyoti, that she was even trying to mention how we can relate it. Suppose that I don't know anything about metaverse. Even in that case, also I can guess is that is a future technology something, and that is going to be useful, beneficial, something like that. I would like to relate it, and in that way also I can speak. May not be exactly metaverse I'm not referring, but I'm going to say that it is useful. So everything is going to have some good or some bad or some advantages or disadvantages. So we need to consider like this also. This will be a kind of strategy. So suppose that I don't know anything about metaverse, but I'm going to consider its positive side, and I'm going to say in the future it is going to be very useful, something like this. So this way also you people can prepare, but don't just keep quiet. Keeping quiet is very dangerous for you. So all of you just take note of it, and it should be a continuous discussion. There should be a logical sequence. So let it be. Even as usual, Prasanna, you started. So again, you come with lots of ideas and you fail to convey in a few of them. So you are not able to convey everything that you are coming with. So before speaking, you just try to be ensure that exactly what you want to say and say that much only. So otherwise, it seems that you're saying something else, but you got it stuck, and because of that you could not say. So it should not happen. So you're coming with two ideas and you're expressing two ideas like this. Vedangi, yes, that's fine. I think that it's okay with you. There is no any objections. Jyoti, that is fine. Nice attempt, Jyoti. So with this, we'll close here. And another, I would like to show you people that if you go to the internet and if you are going to prepare for GD topics, you'll come to know that I hope that the screen is visible. Is the browser visible to you?
Yes, sir.
So here, if you search group discussion ideas, you'll come to know that here you people get with answer also. So here are a number of topics which are given here. So see, everything you just try to read from this. All topics, whatever topics given here, list of 100 or whatever the topics are given, all of you need to read it, complete reading, and try to understand it. So role of EV to achieve net zero target by 2070. So these are some policies or decisions taken by the government. So what is decided by the year 2070. So should people invest in cryptocurrency? So cryptocurrency is these days a hot issue which is discussed more. So you should have some ideas about this also. AI driven decision making, pros and cons, drone technology, pros and cons, COP26. So you should know what is COP26. Okay, so try to read in that. Urbanization challenges and remedies, coal shortage in India, solar energy pros and challenges, one sun, one world, one grid, metaverse. I just give this topic from here only. If you click here, you'll get more information about it. So Gati Shakti National Master Plan. So you don't have any idea what Gati Shakti is, what National Master Plan is. So try to read this. What if Bitcoin crashes to zero? Digital privacy, COVID-19, carbon tax. Is technology headed in the right direction? How to prevent COVID third wave in India? Net zero, central bank digital currency, formal degrees are things of the past. Okay, so you just go here. If you want this page, I will share this link, or you can search group discussion ideas, you'll get it. Okay, you can get it other websites also. It is not only website, there can be number of websites that people can just think of and prepare, but here they have given with answers also. Some of the tips you may get that people can read. Accordingly, you people have to prepare. I think that your preparation is not sufficient, and so therefore you're not able to come with some sentences. So electric vehicle, very important topics, electrical vehicles in India. So suppose that topic may come anything about electrical vehicles, in that case you'll be able to speak, because you might have read something about electric vehicles. So in that case, you just start reading, start increasing your knowledge. Okay. So next time you just come prepared from any of the topics. I can give you topic, any of these topics which are here. So I can see you people just come ready with any of the topics. I think that time is short now, so we have to close it. So I will stop sharing this screen. Okay, and we'll go for attendance. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Any questions? We'll go for attendance now for division A. Roll number 1 absent, 2 absent, then 3, 4, 5 absent, 6, 7 absent, 8, 9, 10 absent, 11, 12, then 13 to 17 absent, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 absent, 18, then 19, 20 absent, 21, 22, 23, then 23, 24 to 27, 24, 25, 26, 27 absent, 28, 29, 30 absent, 31, 32 absent, 33, 34 absent, 35, 36, 37 absent, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43 absent, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52 absent, 53, then 54, 55, 56 absent, 57, 58, 59, 60 absent, 61, 62, 63 absent, 64, then 65, 66, 67 absent, 68, 69 absent, 70, 71, 72, 73 absent, 74, 75 absent, 76, then 77, 78, 79, 80 absent from division A. Okay. So from division B, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4 absent, 5, then 6 to 14 absent, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 absent, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 to 22 absent, 23, then 24, 25 absent, 26, 27 absent, 28, 29 absent, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, then 39 to 51, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51 absent, 52, 53, then 54, 55, 56 absent, 57, then 58 to 66, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66 absent, 67, 68, 69 absent, 70, then 71 to 79 absent, 80 present. So let me know who is this Shailesh Bhosle and what is your roll number, Shailesh. Then who is this Shreyas Patil? He is not connected with audio, so his attendance will not be marked. Shreyas Patil. Okay, all right. So next time again, you just let me know, should we continue such group discussions or should we go for other activities like storytelling or something like this? Let me know.
Sir, can we take presentations?
Yes, presentations will be a fine way. Okay, we will go for presentations also. So all of you people are requested to come with individual presentation here. So what I mean by individual presentation, you people have to just ensure that you're preparing one topic. So topics you can take, what I just showed from that website also, people can take like metaverse, like maybe carbon tax, you can take cryptocurrency, you can take maybe different topics according to your choice, according to your area of interest, according to your likes. So people choose one topic and prepare presentation of 2 to 3 minutes. Maximum 5 minutes will be given to one candidate. Okay. So that much presentation you people have to prepare. While preparing presentation, you can take care, you can make it with PPT or without PPT. I don't have any problem. If you're making with PPTs, that's fine. If you're without PPT, only oral, that will be also okay. So that is just an idea. So as Vedangi suggested, we will go for that also. So will you come prepared? How many? At least I expect 5 to 10, 5 students should come prepared. So Vedangi, you will come prepared, and with Vedangi, I'm expecting other 4 candidates. So who are they? Okay, Vittal is there.
Sir, I'm
Prasanna.
also ready.
Okay, Prasanna will be there.
I also, sir.
Okay, Vishaka. So those candidates will take. If anybody is there additionally, will take there also. But ensure that you are not going to give any kind of excuse. Okay. Sir, we did not get time. Sir, I did not prepare PPT. Sir, my mobile was switched off, something like this. So that's fine. So Rahul is additionally saying yes. So we can prepare for that. Sakshi is also here. So no issue. We'll take that much also. But ensure that you're not only relying on CIP sessions. CIP sessions are not sufficient for your preparation. You're working on your own as well. Take care of that also. Fine. Okay. So we'll stop here. I will end this meeting. So thank you for joining today, and do join for the next session also. We'll do it nice and we'll make it more interactive and we'll make it more informative, and we will enjoy this session. It should not be kind of lecture, theory lecture we people attend, but rather than it should be kind of lecture of interaction where a lot of give and take. You can come with a story also. We can come with any review of movie also. You can come with the movie review also. That will be also fine. We'll discuss everything about English and English language and English only. That's fine. So I will end this meeting. Should I end this meeting now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.